This is the moment you come to life. Smile pulled you close and held you tight.
Leandro Joaquin, yung first name niya is actually a tribute to my mother, Leo, yung zodiac sign niya. And yung name niya is Violeta. Plus yung lolo ko, ang name niya is Francisco. So, konting mix and match, Leandro. And also, galing din sa mga national artists in architecture, which is Leandro Locsin and si Joaquin Lactrin.
Where you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong. Where you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong. Embrace the wonder, embrace the spark.
Happy birthday, baby! Wish ko sa'yo maging healthy ka lang and maging masaya palagi. We will support you kahit ano gusto mong gawin and yun, mahal ka namin.
It's a miracle you're here where you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong. Where you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong.
Happy birthday, anak! Sana lumaki kang mabuti, mapagmahal, malakas, at higit sa lahat may takot sa Diyos.
You're a miracle.
Happy birthday, Joaquin! We love you!